What's up, guys? I missed about 2 days of vlogging. It's not gonna be like a perfect day every day. You can try to make things perfect and nothing will turn out perfect. You can plan, but it's not gonna turn out well. But I admit I haven't been talking good in front of the camera, so I had to come out here where there's no one because it's early in the morning, and I'm gonna get better at this vlogging thing. So I'm with Daisy. Daisy, what's up? Daisy, she's sniffing something right now. Daisy, what's up? Daisy, what's up? She thinks we're hunting for rabbits. Daisy, what's up? What's up, Daisy? But yeah, I think we're gonna just go to AutoZone and fix my my fuel cap. Just get a new one. So I don't know. I might do some other stuff. And I'm getting better at drifting on Gran Turismo. So yeah, I'm gonna stay more dedicated to this stuff. All right, roll some B-roll, and we'll get into the next thing.
Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder.
Guys, just got done doing some chores, did some my clothes, and I got done with still doing a little more tuning, but I got the GR3 Mustang, pretty driftable. I do full videos. I need to start doing all my full videos on my cars. I don't have like a Vegas. I don't have a capture card, so I have to film it with this. But yeah, I'll put the video in the link where I got the setup for this. He did a really good job, and this is just like the base tune where you just change like the wing angle. And I gotta do the other stuff he did too and test it out. But it's like really good with the base tune. And I'll just let me spin the tires. Yeah, America. Yeah, it's really nice though. Ooh, tires. Alright, guys. Peace. Next up. So, my mom lost her pin yesterday, so now we're going to get that. So, yeah. Let's do that.
Why you in need of a shovel? I can do this all day. I can do this all night. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. I could do this all day, I could do this all night, all month, all year, for my whole entire life. Who you know got a home but seen to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros. Music for the people, I used to rap on the train. Now I rap on the stage and I'm used to capital gain. I ain't asking for change, I'm good at cornering the freight.
Don't take a back road. Don't take the back road. Okay, with all those clips being said, and at the end it was raining, and it's still raining, it's like flooding here, that's gonna do it for the video. So I didn't get a gas cap, I really didn't do much, because of the rain. If it was nice and sunny, we would have done more stuff, but yeah, that's gonna do it for the video. Thanks for watching, keep trucking, I'll see you in the next one.